In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix missing Target order confirmation or shipping updates. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, verify that your email address is correct and up to date. Next, check your order history. For that, navigate to My Targets page. Then click on the option Purchase History or Order History. If your order appears there with a confirmation number or shipping status, your purchase was successful even if you don't receive the email. If you checked out as a guest, look for the order confirmation using the email address you entered during checkout. You can also use Target's order lookup feature by entering your order number and email address to view your order status. Another thing to check is your notification settings. If you're expecting shipping updates through the Target app, make sure notifications are enabled for the app in your phone settings. You can also verify that email or text message notifications are turned on in your Target account preferences. If your payment is still being processed, your order confirmation or shipping notification may be delayed. Wait a little longer and check your order status again. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix missing Target order confirmation emails or shipping updates. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.